Hello my friends, how is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sherry. I'm so glad you're here. You're at my channel is Turquoise Dreaming. So today I'm here to do a flip through of this little junk journal that I finished, and I have a goodie pack over here that we will look through at the end of the video. So let's get started. Without delay, we've got a little tie closure here that is made up of a gingham ribbon, yellow and white. So plenty long enough to wrap around there and make a bow if you want. It doesn't, you don't have to tie it around there. You can do whatever you want with it, but it's included. And so, yeah, this was a little vintage Disney book. I just love vintage Disney. I love all Disney, but there's something different and special about the look of the vintage Disney. It's my favorite if I can get my hands on a vintage Disney book. But here's this cute little Donald Duck book. It's called Golden Telltale. And I added a little yo-yo there. You can see the flower trim there. Fabric on the spine, 2 signatures. I added a page on the book, on the back, because I think it was just boring. There was like nothing here, just some, words or whatever. So there wasn't even a nice picture or anything on the back. So I added this book page on the back. You can see the fabric, and the floral trim is back here too. You can see pom-pom on the side. And we got a fun beaded button charm tassel here. All kinds of things on here, fun things. A little heart. There's up here is a little flower, I guess. You see the buttons, big beads, little beads. There's a little flower there, a little flower with a smiley face, and there's another smiley face, and there's a flower down here, and a soccer ball. So just all kinds of fun stuff on there. And then the strings are actually really long too, if you wanted to add something. And then as we start the flip through, inside this book already had this inside the cover, so super cute. I was going to cover that up. And then a floral trim is on the inside too, with the front and back cover. So I mentioned it before, but in case you hadn't seen my other videos working on this particular book or particular journal, the same picture is here and here. And I just really like this one because it looks like all the Disney friends are saying goodbye to us there. They're saying, "See you later. We're leaving now." So I thought that was so cute. Anyway, so I start out with this. I felt like it was the perfect scrapbook paper with the colors here to start out the signatures with. So, and you can see the pom-pom trim there. We added the stickers together and quite a few things together, but we'll go through it real quick here to see the final version. So this is a little page from a book. I think this was the end, one of the first title page or end page or whatever. But I love this marbled page in the green and yellow for the colors in this book. Some lined paper, the title page actually here, and this is a 1978 book. We added those stickers there to the title page. And some wallpaper with, let's see what I have in the pocket here, wallpaper pocket. And we've got a tag, and I usually have writing room on the back of my tags. There's a tag there. This one is wrapping paper. That one is the cover from a scrapbook paper pad, the little sample page. And then this is a bookmark. It's got glitter in there. And it's just a little bookmark that I had made a little while ago. I have a few of these left. So I added one in here. And you can use it however you wish. And you'll recognize the pages from the book. This is just some paper. It's very eclectic, the pages. So just some vintage paper I had. We added the stickers. This is wrapping paper. Backed with some scrapbook paper. We added this little banner together. It's backed with some scrapbook paper. This page is the center page, which is scrapbook paper. We added stickers over here. And then on this side, we have a flip out with a tag or a label. I love the colors in here. There's like every color in this in the pages of the book. It's so cool. Very, very it's very fun and happy. That wrapping paper page. This is the back half of the first signature. So the same papers, just with a little bit different things, stickers and things like that. The wallpaper. See what I mean by all the colors? It really just is so, I just love it. And the vintage look of it too. Lined paper. This is from a recipe book, I think. Flip out here with a little, we used a little flower as a tab. And then we have the second signature, starting out with that same scrapbook paper where we put a frame here that you can put something in. And we talked about when we put this in together, we talked about where you can put something in from the top. Or if you don't want to bother with that, you can just glue something right in here, you know, or just use it as a, you know, a pocket for a tag. You don't even have to use it like a frame. So yeah, however you want to use that. And then it's just a yellow kind of invoice paper there. Music, coffee dyed music. And page from the book. This is also wrapping paper. And in here we have a guest check. That's cardstocky, light cardstock. This is a page from the book. I used most of the pages in here, but maybe I couldn't salvage this. Maybe it had writing on the bottom or something. Anyway, so just made that into a journaling card. It's sewn around. And then here's a little tag here. Cute little tag. And then sticker here. This is these little puffy stickers like this are shaker stickers. I love the colors with this wallpaper. The yellow and green. Pocket over here, wallpaper pocket. And we have a journaling card. This is wallpaper also. Little bunny tag. Get right on the back if you wish. Same with the wallpaper tag. And then this one is also a tag. I think I got this in a ephemera pack. And then a page from the book. This is just some paper, my newsprint paper. That's what it was called. I always say that when I show you, but just in case you hadn't heard me say that before. Yeah, newsprint is what it was called when I bought it. A pack of that paper, this paper right here. Center of this signature. Flip out here with our felt heart tab. We added this measuring tape washi there on that page. The wallpaper. We added a couple of stickers on there. Page from the book and some lined paper from a guest book. We added this little pencil sticker right here. A wallpaper page here with a pocket on this side. And in here we have, this is a little like journaling card made from a page from a recipe book, a vintage recipe book. So that's not a copy or anything, that's an actual page from a recipe book. I just love the colors and that like yellow picture in the background. With a little pour spout on it. That's so pretty. This is printed here because I just don't find black and white pictures anywhere, so I print them out. And that's a little cute little printed picture that you can put somewhere, do something with. And a little drawing card / tag. This is a vintage sheet here, tie on the top. This is a little piece here. This is an ephemera from an ephemera pack backed onto some blue cardstock with vintage sheet on the top. Or tied, you know, little tie on the top. Topper. And then music paper, coffee dyed. We added that little sticker there. That yellow receipt paper. This is the last page where we added a tab that is, one of those little price tags or sale tag, whatever. And that is the journal. So cute, right? And then I have an envelope here. I dug through my envelopes and found this one. It's kind of purpley shaded. And we've got a moon over here, so it's long and narrow. And then I have, let's start from the bottom. I turn it over. So I've got some pretty scraps in here for you. There's some Valentine ones and just, colored pieces that you can use in your crafting. All different colors and patterns. Here's a wallpaper tag here, backed with file folder. This is a journaling card that I made from a file folder, and this is one that pre-made that I bought in a pack of the journaling cards you can buy at wherever. I probably got these at Tuesday Morning at one point. I used to get some at Walmart or Tuesday Morning, so I bought quite a few packs at Walmart when they had them. And then I remember seeing one that I bought. I believe I bought one at Tuesday Morning. A couple of stickers, like traveling stickers. This is one of my leaves Post-its that I didn't back. I found one. I was like, oh, where did that come from? And so there's one that you can glue down somewhere. It's a papery one, and you can glue it down on a page, or you can back it like I did. This is a Dum Dum Lollipop wrapper that I backed with cardstock. I was going to put it in a pocket and I couldn't decide, so I put it in the goodie pack. And then this is a little price tag. This is the little washi stickers that I said I would put in here as we were working in the journal before, when we added stickers and things. And I said I would put that in there, so it's there. And then this is a flap from a Cracker Jack box that I usually use those as tabs. A couple little ephemera pieces here. And strawberry playing card. Some lemon that you can use in your tea or make some lemonade. Little lemon packet. These are 2 stickers that say "This belongs to." So those are fun to put in there somewhere if you wanted to. Some tickets, yellow tickets. And this is where I have the whale tail tabs. 6 of them I've been including in a little coin envelope, which you can also use, decorate all the things, make into pockets. But yeah, there's 6 different patterns of whale tail tabs in here. There's a wallpaper one in here too, I think. Let me see. Oh, there's the wallpaper one. That's the last one I had made of wallpaper. So I need to make some more wallpaper ones. Because I like those too. But anyway, and I'll get some strips in here too. I didn't get those out yet. But my sewn together strips, I always try to remember to include 3 with the goodie pack. So I'll get those out right now before I forget. But yeah, this is in my shop when you see this video. I hope you enjoyed working on this one and the flip through. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got some fun things going on with my channel and some new ideas. So subscribe, like, comment, all the things that YouTube loves, right? And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.